I hope you're enjoying your day. If you ever come across a situation and you need a cleaning service for a situation like this, an apartment building that is really goes bad and it needs a thorough cleaning, remove all this brown stuff on the walls, clean the walls nicely, sanitize the walls, take the smell out of the place, either as a house, an apartment. We could even clean a warehouse. We could residential or commercial. We could come in. We would deep clean everything inside the cabinets, outside the cabinets. Take all the dark spots that are on the cabinets, like you see right there. We'll clean all that. Make sure it looks very nice. Make sure it looks presentable. Make sure it does anything that could sparkle is sparkling, and then you could either enjoy the house or apartment or commercial space. But the good thing about it is we are not using toxic cleaning chemicals, right? And it's also fragrance free. So after we're done, you can move in immediately. If somebody's sick or elderly person, you just move in. There's no problem. This is how it looks outside. This is how it looks inside. We clean everything that needs to be cleaned. These are some before and after pictures. Also shows you how we clean. If this looks good and you want to work with us or you want to hire us, please give us a call. All our information is in our bio. Thank you.